In the dynamic landscape of project management, where deadlines loom, resources are managed, and goals are pursued, the concept of teamwork stands as a cornerstone of success. It's more than just a group of individuals working on the same project. It's the synergistic collaboration of diverse skills, perspectives, and efforts, all aligned towards a common objective. Understanding the essence of teamwork and its critical role is fundamental for anyone venturing into the world of project management, whether as a seasoned professional or a curious learner. At its heart, teamwork in project management is about a group of people with varied expertise coming together to achieve the project's goals. This involves not just individual contributions, but also seamless interaction, mutual support, and a shared sense of ownership. Imagine a complex puzzle. Each team member holds different pieces, and only by working together to fit them correctly can the complete picture emerge. Similarly, in a project, each team member brings unique skills and knowledge that, when effectively combined, lead to successful outcomes. One of the primary benefits of strong teamwork in project management is enhanced problem solving. When faced with challenges or roadblocks, a team with diverse perspectives can brainstorm a wider range of solutions than an individual working in isolation. Different team members might approach the problem from unique angles, drawing upon their specific experiences and knowledge to identify creative and effective resolutions. This collaborative problem-solving not only leads to better outcomes, but also fosters a sense of collective responsibility in overcoming hurdles. Furthermore, effective teamwork fosters improved communication. When team members feel comfortable sharing their ideas, concerns, and progress openly, it creates a transparent and informed environment. Regular communication channels, both formal and informal, ensure that everyone is on the same page regarding project goals, timelines, and potential risks. This reduces misunderstandings, minimizes errors, and allows for proactive adjustments when necessary. Think of it as a well-oiled machine where each part communicates effectively, ensuring smooth operation. Another crucial aspect of teamwork is the synergy of skills and expertise. Each team member typically brings a specific set of skills and knowledge to the project. By working collaboratively, these individual strengths can complement each other, leading to a higher overall level of performance. For instance, a project might require technical expertise, creative design skills, and strong organizational abilities. A well-formed team will bring together individuals possessing these diverse talents, creating a powerful and well-rounded unit. This synergy allows the team to tackle complex tasks that would be challenging for any single individual to handle effectively. Moreover, teamwork promotes a sense of shared responsibility and accountability. When team members work collaboratively towards a common goal, they feel a collective ownership of the project's success. This shared responsibility encourages individuals to take initiative, support their colleagues, and strive for excellence. Knowing that others are relying on their contributions fosters a sense of accountability, motivating team members to deliver their best work and meet their commitments. Effective teamwork also contributes significantly to increased efficiency and productivity. When tasks are distributed based on individual strengths and team members work together seamlessly, the overall pace of the project can be accelerated. Collaboration can help to streamline processes, avoid duplication of effort, and ensure that tasks are completed in a timely manner. This efficiency translates to better resource utilization and a higher likelihood of meeting project deadlines. Building strong teamwork within a project requires conscious effort and effective leadership. The project manager plays a crucial role in fostering a collaborative environment by clearly defining roles and responsibilities, ensuring each team member understands their specific tasks and how their contributions fit into the overall project goals. Establishing clear communication channels, implementing regular meetings, utilizing collaboration tools, and encouraging open dialogue. Promoting a culture of respect and trust, creating an environment where team members feel valued, their opinions are heard, and they trust each other's abilities. Facilitating conflict resolution, addressing disagreements constructively, and ensuring that conflicts are resolved in a way that maintains team cohesion. Recognizing and celebrating team achievements, acknowledging and appreciating the collective efforts and successes of the team to boost morale and motivation. In essence, Teamwork in project management is not just a desirable attribute. It's a fundamental requirement for navigating the complexities and challenges inherent in any project. It's the engine that drives progress, the glue that binds individuals together, and the catalyst that transforms a group of individuals into a high-performing unit capable of achieving remarkable outcomes. For anyone learning about or practicing project management, understanding and cultivating the power of teamwork is a crucial step towards project success. It's about recognizing that the whole is indeed greater than the sum of its parts.